Now, this tool, software, AI, whatever you want to call it, is actually pretty darn cool, in my opinion. I discovered this because my son generated a song, he's 10, with this tool over the holidays. Now, a little backstory, he's been wanting to build, actually he has been building his own arcade for last year and a half, and just, in the garage using wood and that type of stuff, with this dream of buying land at some point and having an arcade, right? So enjoying that dream and fostering that entrepreneurship style. He called it Dog-A-Rama. He loves dogs. So he came in, he's like, listen to this. And he played it. And it was a really cool song about going to Dog-A-Rama and playing. I'm like, where did you do that? And he showed me this app and shared the song with me. So I checked it out. And that's what I'm going to show you today, because the potential for this is extremely powerful for you as a professional speaker or anybody in a business. And I've used this a couple times for sending, friends and clients a song about them as well. So Suno.com, Suno.com, and it's really quite inexpensive. I think it was like $14, and it gave me enough credits to make, I think, like 200 songs. Okay, so let's just get rid of this window here. I'm going to show you the back end. So let me move this all out of the way, as always. And it's broken up with a menu on the left-hand side where you can create hooks. You can do that kind of stuff. You can also, with the paid program, build a persona so you get the right voice, and then you can build the whole album and stuff like that. All right, so we're just going to look at create for now. And there's two modes to this. There is simple and custom. Simple is basically, we put in there what we want it to generate in up to 500 characters. Or if we have a line or something you want to have in there, you can put that in there and it will do it. And then custom allows us to go ahead and generate lyrics using the AI, write the style. There's some advanced options in here to exclude certain things, male, female artist, weirdness, style influence, all that kind of stuff. So just for the sake of this, because I don't want to get into customizing a lot of this in this video for you, because if you decide to sign up, then you can play with all that as well. But we're going to look at the simple one first. My dog is losing her mind. I had to close all the shutters, just the inside behind the scenes of this. So I'm in a room in the house, the living room is behind us, and the dog loses her mind at everybody outside. So I got the shutters closed, but she's doing it right now, so I apologize if you hear that. So I'm going to go here and I'm going to give it a description. I'm going to use my voice, just like in all the other videos that you've seen me use the voice transcription here. And I'm going to say, write an inspirational song about the benefits of being a professional speaker and all the wonderful things you feel when your message hits home to those in the audience. Period. Make it a motivational, upbeat song. Now I could write anything I want in there, but that's what I'm going to do. And I'm going to hit create. Now you're going to see on the right hand side here, it's going to start to create, and it always creates two versions. Lyrics will be the same, but the style of the music will be a little different in that. Okay, so on the mic, I Come Alive is the name that it came up with for that song. Now it's not generated yet. It takes a minute or two for it to come up in here. Now, if I was to do the custom, I could go in and generate lyrics, right? So what I'm going to do is I'm going to show you both of these. I'm going to copy that, right? So we're going to see what this is here. And once the time shows up here, then you can start to play the song. But what you can do is you can click on this and open up the song page, and it's going to show you the lyrics it came up with, right? Backstage buzz in my chest, name on a little white badge, notes in a folder, hands a bit tense, heart saying, right? So there's that. I'm going to actually download the song and include it with this video newsletter for you to see and everything. So I'm also going to play a little bit of the song, so you'll hear that as well, but I'm not going to play the whole song in this video. So within this, you have free rates to this because this is all AI generated. Nobody owns this except you right now. So you can download it, you can send it to people, you can use it in your own shows, your performances, and you can go in here when you sign up, you can actually publish it, and then people can have it as well and remix it and do all that fun stuff that they would want to do with that. So I'm just going to go back a step and just wait a second for that to generate. Now, on the custom side, if we went over here, we could go ahead and paste in the same thing and then use this little button here that says write full song, and we'll see what happens. So it's going to come up here. Actually, I didn't need to paste that in there. I'm going to put that in here. I'm going to say write lyrics. There's two different models. There's the classic, which follows the prompts closely, and then there's their newest model that may come with some offensive stuff. I haven't seen it happen yet, but you can always do that. Now you get 200 characters. It did clip a little bit, but we will actually get rid of the musical part, and let's see what it comes up with. Now in this, before generating the song, it's always going to give you 2, right? So make you believe you're, just another Monday, another conference call, another talk, another story, another brick wall, da da da, and then you hear the applause. Okay, so I like that one. I'm going to select that option, and we're going to say let's make this like a mid-tempo coffee shop song. Use an acoustic guitar. Guitar. There we go. So we're going to generate that one as well. All right, so Make You Believe is now generating 2 of those. So let's take a listen to this one right now and see what it sounds like.
Backstage buzz in my chest, name on a little white badge, notes in a folder, hands a bit tense, heart saying, this is your chance.
Step out, see 100 eyes, some are tired, some just shy, take a breath and I share my scar.
All right, so let's play the other one and see the difference.
Backstage buzz in my chest, name on a little white badge, notes in a folder, hands a bit tense, heart saying this is your chance. Step out, see 100 eyes, some are tired, some just shy, take a...
Pretty cool. So let's see what this one sounds like. This one generated already. A little shorter, 1:56.
Just another Monday, another conference call, another talk, another story, another brick wall. I've been around the world and now I'm back again, and every story's got a message to send. And then I'm hearing your applause, and it comes without a pause. I can make you believe and I can make you smile. And
Catchy little song. And this one here.
just another Monday, another conference call, another talk, another story, another brick wall. I've been around the world.
All right. So, would love to see your face when you heard that. I think there's a ability for me to get referrals here. So I'm going to include, so I'm going to see if I get a link. So I will include this link in the newsletter for this. If you want to sign up, by all means, use that link, show some love that way. I think I get some extra credits from you doing that. But think of the possibilities of this, sending, thank you songs to clients after you speak with them, or events that you put on. Having custom music, custom anthems for the events would be awesome in the industry. My mind just goes wild thinking about that. So check it out, and have some fun making some music. We had some fun over the holidays making Christmas carols and everything with it. So hope you enjoy.